First, the area is under a winter storm warning through Tuesday morning, and North Georgia is in a state of emergency. Freezing rain and sleet are expected throughout the day with a high near 37 degrees. Tonight, there's a chance of snow after 2 a.m. with a low around 24. On Wednesday and Thursday, high temperatures won't get above freezing. Snow is also possible on Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. For now, TDOT says roads are salted and crews are on standby. You can find weather updates and closings throughout the day at timesfreepress.com.